Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Today, me and my classmates are going to practice English conversation with some tourists here in Batu Bolong Beach.
Would you mind introducing yourself for me?
So my name is Maria and I'm from Finland, visiting Bali.
My name is Dan.
Dan, okay, nice to meet you, Dan. Okay, nice to meet you, Maria. I'm Naomi. I'm from Vocational High School Bali Global Badung. May I ask you why you chose Bali as your holiday destination?
Just because the people are really beautiful and really lovely, really good culture, lots of beautiful beaches and lots of activities to do.
We've been here once before and we liked it a lot, and our friends live in Singapore, so it was nearby to take a vacation together here.
Where are you staying in Bali for the time being?
I'm staying in Babakan.
We have rented a villa.
Oh, a villa?
Yeah. So because we are 8 persons, 2 families, so a villa is perfect for us.
Ah, okay. What is your favorite place to eat in Bali?
Favorite place to eat is maybe Mason.
Well, we arrived yesterday, so I don't know yet. Yesterday we ate pizza at the villa, so I don't know.
Did you encounter any challenges or difficulties during your time in Bali?
No.
Difficulties will probably be just the climate, so it can be either really hot or especially in the rainy season, just with the rain and on the motorbike, and sometimes that can be quite...
I can see why.
Yeah.
Last, what is your expectation for Bali on your next visit, if there's a next visit?
I'm not sure. Expectation... just to have a good time and meet some good people, and yeah, to have a good time.
Well, sun and warm and friendly people and sunny beaches.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
I
you.
really appreciate it. Thanks. All right,
Yeah.
thanks for your time. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for helping us.
Okay, Naomi, so how do you feel after you talk with foreigners?
So, kind of feel normal because I usually talk to them. But a little bit nervous because like you're strangers.
Okay, so guys, that's our video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.